Hello everyone. In today's topic, under marketing environment, we will cover macro environment. What are the different forces? We will discuss all points. Due to green revolution and the impact of liberalization, globalization and privatization, after 1991, a new economic policy formed. And because of that, there was a drastic change in India's marketing environment. The marketing environment is so complex and is changing continuously, so therefore it becomes very important to understand different components of environment. So let us discuss about macro environment first. Traditionally, the four main components of mega micro environment were used to discuss in the sequence, like political environment, and that was ending with technological environment, and with the economic and socio-culture environments placed in between. They were known by the acronym PEST. But now the sequence is reversed. PEST becomes TESP. It better reflects the components in the contemporary context. Technology has today become the prime component of the macro environment. In the technological scene or technological environment, an enormous and rapid changes has been taking place in today's era or present time. Developments are making an all-pervading impact on the fortunes of business and lives of the people. We can very well depict from the images. Talk about any field in the individual or corporate affairs. They all are swayed by the development on the technology front. Production processes, production control, logistics, communication, information processing, all have been revolutionized by technology. And if we talk about for business firms, technology not only affects the final products, but also its raw material, processes, operations. Even in the individual spheres, technology has impacted in entertainment, music. The way now we listen music, it is totally different as it was in early days. Education has changed, like you see that we are now taking online education, healthcare. A lot of technological new equipments have been introduced. Communication, mobile handsets have changed, and all entertainment or healthcare, it has changed because of technology. All have greatly impacted by technology. So technology has in particular enabled a fast exchange of information. Information can now be exchanged at the speed of thought from anywhere to anywhere in the world. Three main aspects relating to technology management by firms, and three important spheres where breakthroughs in technology have been making a complete transformation in the existing products. Existing products, I mean to say here, like there are a lot of changes in our watching style, in our entertainment style, in our usage of mobiles. We will discuss one by one. Three aspects of technology for business firm. Options available in technology. Government's approach in respect of technology, and third is technology selection. Let us cover options available in technology first. The firms has to carefully analyze the overall technological environment and the technology options available in the given industry. Level of technology generally prevailing in the country is also considerable for the firm. Otherwise, it will not be cost effective for the firms if technology is not available in your country. Government's approach in respect of technology is also very important. Regulations by the government in matters relating to technology often restrict the freedom of operations of business firm. There may be areas where the government may support the use of modern technologies, or there may be areas where they may ban technologies that are potentially unsafe. All such factors demand careful investigations. Third is technology selection. It is possible that in an industry there are several technologies floating at the same time. Firms have to scan the technology environment and select technologies that will be appropriate for the firm and the given product market situation also. So that is three aspects of technology for business firm. Now spheres where technology breakthroughs are happening. So that is very important, and these things are happening with us. First, we will cover technology breakthrough in ICE, that is information, communication, entertainment. First, digital revolution. The onset and expansion of digital formats is perhaps the most sweeping development. We can see a lot of changes in our entertainment and digital formats. Every day there's introduction of new digital medias. If we You can see music system, you can see at the TV now, uh, you can compare with the old time and the new time. There's a lot of entertainment is available on just clicks. The convergence phenomena, and it is defined as the technological improvement by which a number of networks arise with enhanced capabilities to provide multiple services. It means at the same time that one concrete service may be provided over a number of different networks. Therefore, important consequences for market players and consumers requiring regulators to adapt to this new paradigm. The convergence phenomena, you can look at the pictures, images, just by one click, everything is available in your hand. You can watch serials, you can play. Next is breakthrough in telecom technology, such as GSM, CDMA, WILL, Edge, etc. on one hand. Internet, www, LAN, WAN, Wi-Fi, etc. on other hand, have mainly led to this convergence. Today, the world as a whole is defined by fully loaded mobile phones. Like it gives access to music, news, movie, photography, video animation, voice communication, voicemails, SMS, MMS, and whatnot. Everything is available on just on one phone. Breakthrough in technologies have been fostering an altogether new type of competition in several fields. So from here you can understand a lot of changes are there in marketing environment, and technology come under macro or mega environment of marketing. That's all for today. Thank you very much.